Allô? Eh, c'est Vina. A ka fait la comme. Alors, on fait un petit jour d'arrêter. Côté intelligent là. Oh.
The school's calling me.
Moi, je te
The
dis
school wants to talk to you.
talk to me. Mais je suis là. Et c'est Mali. Marie-Lou t'allait pas y aller les bonnes nouvelles. Marie-Lou là. Allô?
Hello.
Yes.
We came to call you. Oh, this is from Gateway Charter School, and we called you because your son has been doing very bad in school.
She said I'm doing very good, Mommy.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, li te dim sa. M'pat karele nou, but thank you. This time, yeah.
She said thank you. I told her that. So thank you.
Allô? Madame Nade, petit.
Oh, hello.
Yes.
Yes, he's been doing very bad, and he's
Very
been
good, Mommy.
not listening in his
M'pa
class,
kompren.
getting in trouble,
Ou dim
skipping.
good, madame, fon bon second. Ou dim good, madame nan dim bad. Ki yon la dan yo la?
I'm doing good.
Oh.
She mean I'm doing good.
Oh, ou ti apan babrado te. Oui, thank you. I know he's a good ti garçon. I very appreciate my son. I appreciate my son and thank you very much, okay?
Well, since you can't hear me, I'm gonna go get a translator.
Candila,
Okay?
Candila,
She said she's going to.
Candila.
Translate that.
Later, okay, later. No problem.
Okay. Hello?
Allô?
Lizzie, Sonu, Ika fait good.
E ba e don wap griyen, tale poko rete madame. Mka fouton sel sou flet me faso. E ba e don wap griyen. E, ki so di madame? Tale bon kale li net la
Ika
pase.
fait bagaille dans classe.
Tale madame, rete. Hey! A ye ti moun an sou la te. Sa mle ti se mentil tap bom la se mwen.
Ika joué dans la classe.
Oh, se sa mwen el fe l'ekol wèl jwe. Se pa m tale bon mwen lese ide. Hey, Paul sa m pa kapwen pou kont mwen. Sa liye, li pa fè bien an klas li, on konen blan pat pale kreol, pa vle. Sa vè di tout an menti wap bon. Hey, wap moun pa pese travay. Moun pa pese travay pou konen ti moun ap do sa blan di. E pi sa gi an kwa madame, souple. Mzel la toujou? Allô? Oui, ou la, mais qui sont encore gen pour dire c'est pas moi parce que m'pral marcher sous fiel monsieur. Oui, m'pral marcher sous fiel monsieur, m'pa ka code jamais là pour ti moun la bam menti madame. Let me tell you something. I am going to deal with my son. You understand? To deal with my son because I have a good boy. Okay?
Okay.
Goodbye. Because parle dans téléphone moi encore pour bon me gros bad nouvelle like that. Apa mamsel la koche sou mwen? Hey, bon, avant di la vo bon mwen lese Marima. Hey, se Marima piti vin potem sekou. Men Johnny a fe kem rete la seye. Ma preta nou kome, fe vit. Hey, mbale le paste l'église la. E la mbra la.